In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your IKEA order seamlessly and efficiently. Whether you're waiting eagerly for that new couch or simply keeping an eye on a smaller purchase, knowing exactly where your order is can be incredibly reassuring. So, let's dive right into it. First, we need to visit the IKEA website and sign into your account. If you're not already familiar with how to do this, head over to the main IKEA page and look for the sign in option, usually located at the top right corner. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account home. This is essentially your personal dashboard on IKEA's site where you can manage all your interactions with them, from purchases to personal details. Once you're on the account homepage, look for the option that says Track Your Order and go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to monitoring all your recent purchases. It's also worth noting that this section provides insights on any order-related queries, so it can be quite handy. Now, when tracking your order, the next step is to choose your delivery type. IKEA usually offers various methods, such as home delivery or click and collect. Click and collect is a particularly useful feature if you're planning on picking your order up from a nearby IKEA store rather than waiting for it to arrive at your doorstep. Once you've selected the appropriate delivery type that matches your recent purchase, we're almost there. The next important piece of information you need is your tracking number. This number is essential as it uniquely identifies your order and allows the system to provide specific updates related to your shipment. You should have received this tracking number in an email from IKEA shortly after your purchase was confirmed. Simply copy this number from your email and return to the order tracking section on the IKEA website. Now, paste your tracking number in the designated field provided on the order tracking page. It's crucial to ensure that you don't accidentally add extra spaces or characters, as it might cause issues in locating your order in the system. Finally, hit the track button. This will bring up the latest update on your order, giving you insights into where your package is in its journey, and sometimes providing an estimated delivery date. It's always a good idea to check this regularly, especially if you're coordinating plans around the arrival of your items. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly stay informed about your IKEA order's progress. Keeping an eye on the tracking updates not only helps gauge when to expect your items, but can also provide peace of mind knowing that your order is on its way. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.